If you're looking for ways to generate income without having to work actively for it, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you some strategies for using ChatGPT OpenAI to create information products and content that can generate passive income. And the best part is that you can potentially earn up to $4,000 per month using these strategies. Welcome to Money Express YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. Section 1. What is passive income? Before we dive into how to generate passive income with ChatGPT OpenAI, let's first define what passive income is. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. Examples include rental income from a property, dividend income from stocks, or royalties from a book you've written. Section 2. How to use ChatGPT OpenAI to create information products. One way to generate passive income using ChatGPT OpenAI is to create an information product, such as an ebook or a course, that utilizes ChatGPT to provide valuable insights or analysis. For example, you could create a course on using ChatGPT for content creation, or on how to use it to generate new business ideas. To create your information product, you would first need to identify a specific problem or pain point that your target audience has, and then use ChatGPT to generate insights or solutions that can help them overcome that problem. Once you've created your information product, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, or even on your own website. But how do you create an information product that people actually want to buy? Here are some tips. Start by researching your target audience and identifying their pain points and challenges. Use ChatGPT to generate unique insights and solutions that can help your audience overcome those challenges. Structure your information product in a way that is easy to follow and understand. Include practical examples and case studies to illustrate your points. Market your information product effectively by using social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your target audience. Section 3. How to use ChatGPT OpenAI to create content. Another way to generate passive income using ChatGPT OpenAI is to use it to create content for a blog or YouTube channel. ChatGPT can be used to generate ideas for blog posts or video scripts, or even to write entire articles or video transcripts. By creating valuable content that attracts a large audience, you can generate advertising or sponsorship revenue. To be successful with this strategy, you would need to identify a specific niche or topic that your target audience is interested in, and then use ChatGPT to generate unique and valuable insights on that topic. Here are some tips for creating successful content using ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas and topics for your content. Use ChatGPT to generate unique and valuable insights on those topics. Use a clear and engaging writing style that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords and meta tags. Promote your content on social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract a large audience. Section 4. How to monetize your content. Once you've created your content, how do you monetize it? Here are some strategies. Use advertising networks like Google AdSense or MediaVine to display ads on your website or YouTube channel. Offer sponsored content or product reviews to companies in your niche. Sell affiliate products or services that are relevant to your content. Create your own products or services based on the insights and ideas generated by ChatGPT. Section 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT OpenAI can be a powerful tool for generating passive income through the creation of information products and content. By using ChatGPT to generate unique insights and solutions, you can create products and content that are valuable to your target audience, and potentially earn up to $4,000 per month in passive income. Remember, the key to success with these strategies is to focus on providing real value to your audience. By identifying their pain points and challenges, and using ChatGPT to generate insights and solutions that help them overcome those challenges, you can create products and content that are truly valuable and that people will be willing to pay for. Thank you for watching this video on how to make passive income with ChatGPT OpenAI. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.